Okay guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Banky Crypto Night. So in this video today, I want us to look something. I found something and I make my review about it, and I think you should see it. Okay, I believe many of us have been seeing this quite sometimes now on social medias concerning the Pi, the regulation, the IMF approved World Bank supported Pi network, and the stable price of Pi network to be 3141.5159 cents. So there is something I found out about this code. So you can see Hewlett shared this code was built on the Pi network, was built on the for Pi network, a decentralized AI-powered financial system for stabilizing the value of Bitcoin at 314.159 cents. Combining blockchain, machine learning, and cyber security, Hewlett shared ensure the security, scalability, and decentralization of the Bitcoin ecosystem. So you can read more about it. I'm going to drop the link on the description of this video in case you want to find more information about it. But one thing I want us to look is Bitcoin really going to launch at this amount? And all these institutions we see here, what impact are they going to add to the Pi network? Did they endorse Pi network or not? So let's see, let's find out. So right now, this is where I click view all. So on the view all, I click on readme. So this is where you're going to see all the code. Now click on code here. So this is all the code concerning the Hewlett shared. So this is what I do. I copied all this code and I copied everything to ChatGPT, and I copied it to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT to explain everything to me, explain it to me in layman language, what each of this code mean, everything here, what they mean, what everything mean. This is not actually the code for here. Let me try to find the code. I'm coming. This is the code here. This is everything in the code. This is it here. So this is the code here, but this is the constant of the code here. But the readme, everything, if you want to read it out, this is it. You can read it out here on the readme. So I copied everything you see here, everything about the code. I copied it to ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT give to me. So you can see, explain this code to me in the layman language. So this is the code I've copied it. This is everything. So let's go down. This is from Pi network. So let's go down now. Let's go down, scroll down. So everything, this is just everything about the code. There is something I want you to see, guys. I want you to see something. This is just everything. Hewlett shared. So you can see this code is essential. This is where it starts reading everything for me. You can see, let's see, it starts here. This code is essential. You can pause this video to keep on reading it. So this code is essential, a detailed description of a project called Hewlett Shared, which is a decentralized financial system designed to stabilize the value of Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency at a specific price of $314.159. It explains how the system works, its feature, and how to get involved. There is something I want you to know. this value you are seeing right here. There's something I want you to know about it. Some people are calling it 149,000, something like that, but this is actually $314. I will show you what I mean. So let's keep on going. So let's keep on with it. So let's keep on. You can see the answer. So let's just wait for it. So let's go down. So these are all the badges. Here is a breakdown of the key section. The key section, that is all those badges you see, all those IMF, World Bank, etc. like that. So this is the function of them. This is their function. This is everything. You can read it. Technology tools, blah 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 blah. I want you to see something. The first part consists of various badges or labels that shows compliance and endorsement. Endorsement, that is what I want you to see. Endorsement. So that means all those institutions, they endorse PI, endorsement. So let's keep on going. There's something I want you to see more. Technologies and tools. The next set of badges highlight various technologies, programming language, etc. Licenses and compliance. You can see license, everything that is everything about Pi network is licensed. It's licensed. Overview. Euler shared is introduced. Euler shared is introduced as a decentralized AI-powered financial system with the goal of keeping the price of Pi coin stable. This does not mean that the Pi coin value, the price is not going to be going up, that is appreciating, but it will have a stable price of 314. It will not go below that stable price. There is no how it's going to go below that stable price. It can go above it, but it can never go below it. Pi is not a stable coin, but it's a stable and a volatile coin. It has its own stable value, and it's also a volatile cryptocurrency. So let's keep on going. Key features: AI power price stability. Use machine learning AI to monitor and adjust the value of Bitcoin. Decentralized. It is built. Let's keep on. It is built on a blockchain, making it secure and transparent. Cyber security. Employ advanced security measures to protect the security system. Scalability. It can handle large transaction volume as Pi coin usage goes. So this is how it works. Data collection. You can see. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on reading. There is something I want you to see. It's still below. You can keep on reading all this, or you can pause it and read it. So this is what I want you to see again. Is it 314.15 cents or 314.150? I made a mistake here, but it still correct me. So let's see what it writes out for us. That is my question. So ChatGPT said the value is 314.159, which is $314.15.9. You should see that 15.9 cents. So for those people that are saying it's 341,059, that is not correct. So I said sorry, I mean, is it 314? You can see what I write here. Sorry, is it, you can see it here, I mean, is it 314,159 cents or $314,159? Can you see what ChatGPT wrote? He said, "Ha, I see what you mean. The value 314.159 is $314.15 point. You can see everything. How much is all this? I don't ask how much is all this endorsement. You can read everything. You can pause the video. You can read everything. You can see. You can read everything. Not, he said, not $314,159. You can see all this. The number after the decimal point represents cent, not thousand. So it's just a little over $314, not $314,159. So we should know the price is starting from this, not this. So I ask again, how much is all this endorsement worth? I know they worth a lot. I know they worth a lot. I just want to ask how much they worth. So I know it cannot give me the actual worth of all of them. So based on based on the World Bank, IMF, and the theory that it's mentioned out, it will just give me, ChatGPT just give me few details about them, about their worth. So the endorsements and compliance badges listed in the code represent something. You can pause this video and read it. So let me return it back again a little for you. So the endorsements and compliance badges listed on the code in the code represent affiliation with global recognized financial institutions, regulatory bodies, and organizations. However, these badges don't have a direct financial worth in terms of a specific dollar. Instead, the value. So you can read it. Just pause the video and read it. There is something I want you to know at the end of this video. So I ask again, how much? You can see my question again. I said, how much money is the World Bank? How much is money? Sorry, I made a mistake on that question there, but as an AI, artificial intelligence, it's very intelligent, so it knows what I mean. So it gives me the answer direct. So you can see it. The organization like the World Bank, International Money Fund, IMF, European Central Bank, ECB, and World Trade Organization, WTO, don't have a specific word like a company with market capitalization. Instead, they manage and influence large sum of money as part of their operation. So according to it, he said World Bank has about, World Bank has about $300 billion across various programs and countries. International Money Fund, IMF, has $1 trillion. ECB has $417 trillion. Wow. World Trade Organization has $220 million. So in summary, this is everything here in summary. And all these institutions endorse Pi network. So I said, if all these institutions endorse a particular crypto, what do you think will happen to that crypto and its value? You can see what he writes. If major financial institutions like blah 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 were to endorse a particular cryptocurrency, it would have a profound impact on both the cryptocurrency. You can see it on both the cryptocurrency value and its role in the global financial system. Here is what might happen. So this is where I want you to pay attention to. This, all this place go down. This is where I want you to pay attention to. You can pause the video in case you want to read it very well. Public confidence. Endorsement from this institution would significantly boost the public confidence in the cryptocurrency. People and businesses would view it as safe, legitimate, and credible, which is one of the biggest barriers to cryptocurrency adoption today. I hope you understand that. This shows that if such institution can endorse a particular crypto, that is, everybody will have confidence in such crypto. Everybody will have confidence in that crypto. Institutional adoption, large institution, corporation, and even government would be more likely to adopt it. This is no more a news right now that most BRICS and some other governments from other all over the world are trying to are shifting from the old model of finance transaction to new one. They are endorsing decentralized. They are endorsing crypto right now. They are endorsing decentralized, and right now Pi Network is currently the only options. We have seen many news, we have seen many rumors about them connected to Pi Network, and if we look through the source code of Pi Network, we can see that there are a lot of almost all over the world. The government, the countries are connected to Pi blockchain. They are connected to Pi blockchain. So let's keep on reading. Let's see what is coming. Let's keep on reading. So institution, blah blah blah. Massive increase in demand. Price stability. You can pause this video to read all this. Integration into global. Let's see this. Integration into global finance, cross-border. I want to read it here. So cross-border transaction, let's read here again. You can pause the video and read everything. So these are my findings. So cross-border transaction, the crypto could become a standard for cross-border transaction and international settlement, potentially reducing the reliance on fiat currency like the US dollar. This would disrupt traditional financial reserve currency status. So you should look at this part very well. Reserve currency status. There is a possibility that it could be used by central bank as a reserve asset, similar to how gold or US dollar ahead in reserve today. This will solidify its value on the global stage. Right now, even central bank is connected to Pi. It's connected. They are endorsing Pi right now. They are endorsing it. We have seen everything. I will drop the link on the description of this video. You can check through most of the codes there. You can check through there. There are lots of things you will see on the source code. There are a lot of things you can see. So Pi might serve as a reserve currency for every country. All over the world, they will have Pi in custody. All the higher institutions, all the institution, the big institution in the world, central bank, they are going to have Pi as a reserve. Shift in global power dynamic. This is one of the major things that China's, Russia's, and some other countries, South Korea, North Korea, are battling with US, because the US is currently leading the global power, but this is going to shift everything. It's going to balance everything right now. So let's keep on going. Impact on fiat currency. If a cryptocurrency gain official backing from global financial institutions, could challenge traditional fiat currency, especially in regions where the local currency is unstable. Blah 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 blah. Reduce transaction costs. It could also reduce the need for intermediaries like bank. Right now we know Pi is decentralized, nobody controls it, but at this enclosed Mainnet there is still control, a little control over it. But after the open Mainnet by this year, there is not going to be any control. Nobody can control it again. Wider institution use. Let's see what is there again. There is still something I want you. There is a question I still ask that I want you to see. Banking and finance. Major bank and financial institutions would likely start using this cryptocurrency in lending, borrowing, and trading operations. Government might begin to adopt the cryptocurrency for tax collection, welfare payments, or foreign aid distribution, further embedding it into global economy. Innovation and development. You can read most of this. Legal and regulatory. Blockchain innovation used in area like device. So all this is present on Pi blockchain. Legal and regulatory framework. It is not more a news that Pi is regulatory, is well regulatory even before it's launched. Everything about Pi is legal. You can see it would also encourage government and regulatory bodies to create clearer legal framework for cryptocurrencies, facilitating broader use in everyday financial operation. There is still something I want you to see. Let's keep on going. Impact on value. Short-term surge. Upon the initial endorsement, the cryptocurrency value would likely skyrocket due to the massive increase in demand, investor confidence. So you should know that over time, with mechanism in place for price stability, you should see this. With mechanism in place for price stability, that is for the Hula shared, the cryptocurrency would price cap stability and regulatory clarity. So you should know the Hula shared. This is where impact on value. What it's showing us right now is that some of the criteria that might make government to endorse it. You can see mechanism in price stability, Pi and regulatory clarity. The cryptocurrency will stabilize at a higher value, becoming a reliable asset for long-term investor and everyday user alike. Remember, this is one of the Pi network mission for everyday people to be using it. Example comparison, similar to how gold or US treasure. You can read most of it. There is still something I want you to see. I think we are getting there now. With yes, this is the question I asked next. I said, with what you see in the code, do you think Pi network is qualified for this? He said, based on what I see in the Hula shared project code, which is part of Pi network, there are both strengths and challenges when it comes to qualify for endorsement from major financial institutions like the World Bank, IMF, ECB, and WTO. Here is a breakdown. Let's see what is on the breakdown, and I'm going to show you something more. So let's go on the breakdown. Let's go on the breakdown. Let's see everything. So here it said strength. So let's see what is there right now. Strength, decentralized. So let's emphasize on this part. Pi network emphasizes decentralized architecture using blockchain many of the organizations. So this is one of the things that we make that make Pi to be qualified. Decentralized, that is, nobody control it. Pi is decentralized. So that is number one things that we make government to endorse it, and all those big institutions to endorse Pi. So let's keep on going. There is still more things I want you to see. About this. Let's keep on going. AI power. You can see AI powered price stability. So this is also one of the things that we make big institutions to endorse Pi. The use of machine learning and AI to stabilize the value of Pi coin at this so amount is a forward-thinking approach. If Pi can achieve stable value management through AI, that is, it does not mean that the price will not go up. It will go up. Pi is a volatile coin, but it will have a stable value. It will have a stable value of 314. It will never go down below this value through the help of AI, through the help of machine learning and AI. So you can read it. Pi can achieve stable value management through AI. It will address one of the biggest concerns that institutions have about cryptocurrency: volatility. This stability is something financial institution would value. You can read here. This stability is something financial institution would value. So that is one of the number two. Among what the criteria they mentioned here, Pi has this again. It has the two now. So cyber security and scalability. The cybersecurity measure mentioned in Hewlett sheet. Let me see. Okay, in Hewlett sheet to protect the Pi ecosystem. Remember, if you at the top they mention cybersecurity. So it said it here that the cybersecurity measure mentioned in Hewlett sheet to protect the Pi ecosystem and the design for handling high transaction volumes shows that the network is working toward becoming more secure and scalable. So again, major financial institutions are particularly interested in this aspect when evaluating digital currency. So this is another sign that World Bank and all institutions, or even all over the world, they are going to endorse Pi. Now let's go to the innovation and growth potential. By combining blockchain AI and focus on stability, Pi network demonstrate innovation that institutions like IMF and ECB. You remember, this institution alone has over 4 trillion. The worth over 7 trillions. So could recognize part of the future finance for economy. Yes, transparency. So again, this is the challenge why Pi network may not yet qualify, but all this challenge, Pi network has everything. Let's see again. You can see they mentioned regulation is key to gaining endorsement from institutions like the World Bank, IMF, ECB, for example, organizations like ECB, blah blah blah. Strictly guideline of financial system, and the Pi network would need to comply with the wide range of international financial institutions. This include anti-money laundering, KYC. That is why Pi network take their KYC very important, and they go along with the KYC for more than 3 years now. Pi network has taken KYC very serious. Their KYC is decentralized. They take it very serious. Number 2, here you can see adoption. They said adoption and usage. Although the Pi network has a large community of users, it's still in a developmental phase and widespread real-world adoption beyond the enthusiast and niche. This one is not something that Pi network has not achieved. Pi network has achieved adoption and usage. We are seeing it every day by day on social media, how people are using Pi to buy things online, using it different marketplace for Pi network. So even these two challenges that we have read right now, Pi network has passed it already, the two challenges. So let's go to the three challenges. The third one, let's see what is there. Centralized concern despite Pi claim. So this centralized concern, this is where I want you to know. At the enclosed mainnet, I can tell you Pi network is half decentralized and half centralized, because the core team are still controlling everything. They can ban you, they can do many things, they share they distribute the coin, they do many things. It's still centralized right now. But despite Pi claim of decentralization, you can see it there have been some criticism regarding how centralized Pi core team is incomplete. For more and more open source, blah 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 blah. Let's see what is there. Company development team is in comparison to open source and community. Remember, Pi network is on enclosed mainnet, and according to Nicholas, he said there are some things that are blocked, that until it's opened, until the open mainnet is open, until the main network is open, before everything will be decentralized, before it will be decentralized. So this one, we are expecting this part at the open mainnet. So this one is not a challenge. It's not a challenge. Pi network is decentralized. So we pass this area also. We still pass this part also. So reputation. It talk about reputation here again. So let's see what is there. So it said trust is crucial for institutions like IMF or World Bank. While Pi network has gained significant interest, its closed development process and lack of open source. So right now, everything about Pi network is not yet opened. It's not yet open source. So very soon it's going to be open when we hit the open mainnet. That is where everything is going to be open source. Gaining endorsement from this financial institution requires a strong track record, transparency in operation, and audited financial or protocol, which Pi network may not fully provide yet until open mainnet. So this fourth challenge, we've passed it already. Pi network are successful on this area, because open network, everything is going to be transparent, going to see everything. Legal standing. Institutions like the WTO, ECB also care about the legal standing of a currency, including how it fits into the global financial system. So let's see what they write there. Global financial system. You can read it. Institution like blah 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 blah, include how it fits into the global financial system. For Pi to receive endorsement, it would need to navigate the legal and political landscape of cryptocurrency regulation in various countries. When you are claiming your Pi, that is when you want to migrate your Pi to mainnet, this part is there. And on the KYC section, everything here is there. So Pi is legalized, it's legal stand, is already legalized already. It follow every step it has to follow to serve as a cryptocurrency, to serve as a currency worldwide. Every details of your every countries has their own their own ID card they can use to do their KYC. So Pi Network follow each and every countries. For instance, Nigeria, they are using NIN. You can use NIN in Nigeria, the plastic one, etc. Like that in Philippines, in also other country, they use different ID card, which is from government issued ID card. So Pi Network follow each and every country's documents. They follow everything to do their KYC. Now let's go to comparison to other endorsed projects. So in comparison to other endorsed projects, cryptocurrency that have institutional backing like Bitcoin, you can read this. You can read all this one here. I don't want to take much of your time. You can read it. For Pi to reach that level, it will need to demonstrate not only technology robustness, but also regulatory legal compliance. Pi Network has achieved all this one. It has achieved all this one. If you are following up with the Pi team, you will know that everything is achieved already. What Pi Network needs to do to qualify, this is what you need to know, and everything they have done it. So let's see what they need to do to qualify. Regulatory compliances, which is sorry for that. So what Pi Network need to do to qualify? So let's see. You can see they need KYC, taxation rules, everything. Pi Network is qualified for this one. Partnership with financial institution, partnering with recognized financial entities. Like right now, Pi Network, all these institutions have endorsed it already, so it's qualified again in this area. Proving real world use cases, network would need to demonstrate successful large scale of use cases beyond just cryptocurrency mining. This is actually the mission of the project. This is actually the mission of the project, and they have achieved it. Successful large scale use cases. Right now, this currency is being used to purchase things, real economic activities worldwide, all over the country, everywhere. And again, transparency and governance, moving toward a more transparent governance model where users have a clearer understanding of how decisions are made and how decentralized the network really is, will help build trust. Major institutions prefer work with platforms that have this structure. So with everything we read here, so what do you think about Pi Network? With everything you read, what do you think about Pi Network? You can see all this: United Nations member, UDP, UNDP, UNICEF, UNEP, all this endorse Pi Network, World Bank, all this, Brazil, India, South Africa, everything, BRICS, everything, all this, they endorse Pi. So what do you think? What do you think will become of Pi network at open Mainnet? What do you think? In case you don't understand this video, you can still reread it again. In case I'm too fast, you can still reread everything again. So all this, you can see it's connected to other crypto also, or to other blockchain also. So what do you think will become of Pi network? What do you think will become of Pi network after the Mainnet? So let's see in your comment section. Let's see your comment section. Let's see in the comment section. Let's see your view in the comment section. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you find something useful, something meaningful in this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video to everybody to watch it. All the pioneers groups page, share it to everybody. Let everybody watch this video to have more understanding about the token, the coin they have at hand. You should not sell your Pi anyhow. Don't sell your Pi. Use your Pi for services. Use it to purchase something online. But Pi is your generational wealth. Hold it tight and use it to buy something. Go offline or online. Use it to buy something. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.